How to clean iPhone battery health for longer life. Let's get started. First, launch settings and navigate to the option battery. Now head over to the option power mode. You're gonna find this option low power mode over here. Turn on low power mode when battery is low or during long days. This reduces background activity and preserves health. Next up, head back. Now navigate to this option, charging. You'll need to enable for the option optimize battery charging. This learns your routine and slows charging past 80% when not needed immediately. Next thing you want to do is avoid full discharges. Don't let the battery reach 0% too often. Try recharging when it drops to around 20%. Ideally keep charged between 30% to 80%. Avoid overnight charging if your routine allows. Use MagSafe for slow charging when possible. Now head over to the option General. Scroll down and navigate to the option Background App Refresh. Click on Background App Refresh, set it to off. This reduces power drain and health buildup. Next up, head back. Now navigate to the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. Now head back and navigate to the option Accessibility. Scroll down and click on the option Motion. Now make sure you have enabled for the option of motion. And that's it. These are some ways to clean iPhone battery health for longer life. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.